Welcome, this is a demo on XWiki's Confluence Migrator Pro. From your Confluence instance, export one or multiple spaces in XML format. You can also export a full Confluence instance using the backup functionality. We will start with a single space export. You can choose to upload your Confluence export or select it from the server directly. Let's start with a single export upload. Select the space, name your migration. Fill in and modify the parameters according to your needs. You can choose to migrate multiple types of data from content to tags, users, permissions, groups, favorites, blog posts, and many more. Please refer to the documentation for a full description of the parameters. Once all the parameters are filled in according to your needs, run the migration. In the report, you will see all the information on what was imported and errors that you may have faced, along with hints for the most common causes. As you can see, the pages are imported properly, along with complex macros and templates. Now, let's do a migration from a backup package. We name the migration. Same as before, we configure the parameters as needed. And as this is a backup export of the whole Confluence instance, we will have an intermediary step. In this intermediary step, you can select the spaces that you wish to migrate in this run, or select all the spaces. After you have selected the spaces, run the migration as before, and read the report. Here we see everything that was imported. Now let's look at the batch migration option, which is recommended for very large instances. You will need to export the Confluence spaces that you wish to migrate, organize them in batches on your machine, and indicate the path to the Confluence Migrator Pro. In terms of parameters, you can choose to reuse parameters set in a previous migration. As you can see below, the migrator found the two spaces present in the directory that I indicated, and I can choose to select all the spaces present in this batch or a selection of them. After confirming the batch migration input, you will see a summary of what will be imported and parameters. If everything is correct, you can move forward. Link mapping allows us to properly migrate links between spaces. The migration of each space and link mapping ran one after the other. We can see all the migrations that ran in the All Migrations section of the migrator.